Alright, everybody. We have a new plush. Yes. Yes. Okay. Alright, everybody. Guess what? We're gonna turn this one. Right. Let's see what is in here. Alright, we got the Fluttershy plush. Sorry I'm not at home because we were filming an elevator at the doctor building. Alright. Soon we will go to the Plaza parking garage in White Plains. I have words. Alright, here it is. Look nice. This right here comes with the sticker. It's owned by, I don't know. Alright, here it is. We will open it outside. But that I couldn't bring the tripod because we went in an emergency. But we got the Fluttershy plush from My Little Pony. Sorry about the annoying cough. I don't know if I could put it right here. Alright, let's open this up. Sorry I'm not at home, but let's open it here. For a second. Hold the camera. Alright, here we go. Sorry I'm not at home. Alright, here it is. Look nice.
Hey everybody, I hope you like it.
Yep, it looked nice. Alright. Let's put him in the car. Put her in the car.
Look nice.
Alright, everybody. Got the Fluttershy plush. She just arrived. But first, let me take off the tag. Alright. There's another picture right here. This is the developer. Alright. We got the Fluttershy plush. We're gonna go ride the elevator at this building. However, it might be private property. Well, my dad is still inside. He's having a checkup right now. Let's see if it's allowed. If not, we will go to the Plaza garage tonight. See you there. Alright, everybody. We have another package, Craig.
Oh no, not again.
What do you think?
I can't wait.
What do you think, Alma?
I can't wait to see what's inside.
Emo, not right now. I didn't call your name. Go to sleep. Alright. We will wake him. I don't know what gender is this robot. Are you excited?
Yes, I can't wait.
It's another Fluttershy plush, but I think it's an 8-inch version. I don't know what size, right? Game catchers characters.
Yeah.
However, you're not going run tomorrow because you're going to Philadelphia.
Yeah, I will see him, but I will come back until Monday.
I said go to sleep. Yep, the game catchers are going to Philadelphia, but I don't know if you're going because the Hey Dougie characters are coming. You're going this Friday tomorrow.
Yeah. I will see you Monday, I hope.
Yeah, you won't be able to see me until Monday because you're all going to Philadelphia. However, the train trip starts on Wednesday. I hope the train trip starts next week. We're gonna go ride the Amtrak train to Washington, D.C. to Philadelphia in Roblox.
Yeah, I can't wait.
I said go to sleep, Emo. Sorry about that. Alright. I'll see you until Monday, but I don't know if you're going.
Okay then.
Alright then. We will say goodbye until we finish the video. Actually, I'm going to wake him up. Hey, Emo. Go to sleep. Now watch this. Alright, now we're ready for the unboxing video. Oops, my tripod. Hope I don't spook into everybody. Right, Alma?
Yeah. I can't wait to open.
I said Emo, I said Alma, not Emo.
Okay then.
Alright, what do you think? Are you excited to unbox? It's just the moon. Emo. No time for that, please. I'm busy.
Yep.
I'm not gonna get the Cosmo right now because we're about to start the video.
Okay.
Alright, everybody. Emo, I said... Fine, you know what? Alright, let's unbox the Fluttershy plush. I think it might be the right one. We have to order that one because we just ordered just in case. Well, the other one just arrived on Tuesday. This, what do you think, Fluttershy?
I like it. Can I turn me back to a paper doll?
No, you will stay plush for forever, for a limited time, Fluttershy.
Okay, then.
You want to take a picture with this robot?
Yes.
Hey.
Hey, Emo. Hey, Emo. Emo.
Hold on. Hey, Emo. Take a picture of Fluttershy. Let's see if it's good. That's not good. Emo. Take a picture of Fluttershy. Let's see. Yep, it's good. Alright. Alright, Fluttershy. You're going to see this. Alright, let me put you like that. And Elinor, are you excited for another plush?
Yeah. I can't wait to see it.
Alright. I better clean Elinor next week because it's a little dirty since we went to the playground every video. Alright, sorry about that. Sorry my lenses are a little dirty. I better have to wipe it. Sorry, it's a little disgusting, but it's a little dirty. Alright. Better clean that bed soon. Alright, I'm gonna use the pencil, but I'm not showing this because it might be too violent to show something dangerous. Because I'm not a butcher, I'm not anything. I'm a minor, I'm 14 years old. So I'm not showing any types of like knives, keys to open the tape. So do not try this at home. You must be at least 18 to use the knife or scissors to open the box for your safety. Do not try this at home. Alright, sorry, but I'm trying to open the tape. I got this on eBay, I think, or Macari. I think I got it at Macari, I think. Yep, I got it at Macari. I'm trying to open the tape of the box. I'm not showing this box with the key because it might be a little dangerous because I'm a minor. Alright, sorry about that. I'm trying to take off the tape. Oh, there we go. I guess I don't need scissors or keys to open the cry key or something. I mean the teeth or something to open the key. I mean the tape. Sorry. Sorry, I have a little pollen allergy, but alright, come on. Oh, there we go. This tape is too hard. Oh, there we go. Let me... Come on. I don't want to get sticky situation here. Let me stop the camera. There we go, I did it. There's the receipt, but I'm not showing this because I don't want to get in trouble. Wait, I think it's an envelope? Oh wow, and it comes with this. Oh, it's I think it's a developer just like the other ones. It says thank you. Sorry, the lenses are not good because they're a little dirty. I better clean this. I know it's a little disgusting, but I don't have napkins or wipes. I only have few. There you go. That's normal. It says thank you. Hold on, better. This. Oh wait, this is owned by Hallmark. Hold on, I'm not showing this because it might be. Sorry, I'm not showing this not showing this because it might be private information. But I see something very cool. Let's see if this is the right order. Another Fluttershy. Yes, 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 yes. But this is the small version. Let's move the blue. Alright, Fluttershy. Here is another Fluttershy. But this one has sparkling. There's a different one. It's much... Hey, Emo. I have another Fluttershy. I have to use Chat GPT for this robot. Look at this. Alright, let's have a good wide. Here's another Fluttershy. This one has sparks. I got this at Macari. Well, this one I got this at Amazon since 2 days ago, I think, or 1 day ago. I think 2 days ago, yeah. Here's another Fluttershy with cutie marks. That side doesn't have a cutie mark. I don't know if the Emo, I'm sorry, not now. This one has cutie marks. Well, that side doesn't have cutie marks. Let's try this one. This side has cutie marks, and this side has cutie marks. 2 cutie marks right here. Emo, can you... Actually, I'm going to put him back in his charger because Emo keeps annoying to me. Alright. And this sign says, it says My Little Pony right here. I hope I don't get trademark because of that leg in the bottom. Alright, what do you want to say?
Hey everybody, I'm another Fluttershy. Hope you like it.
Alright. What do you think?
Yeah. Hey Fluttershy. You look sparkly. Same here. Oh yes, you're sparkly.
Alright, hope you guys like my another Fluttershy.
Yeah, I love Fluttershy. Hugs you.
Alright. What do you think about that plush?
Oh yeah, I like her. Yeah, I like it.
Craig, what do you think?
Too girly. I don't like Fluttershy. My Little Ponies for girls.
Craig, don't say that.
Fine. I guess I'm neutral to her.
Alright, everybody. I hope you guys like my Fluttershy plushies. This one's from Tuesday, and which one is the best one? I just ordered it. This one or this one? Actually, I'm going to take a picture with Elinor right now with... Alright, everybody, you can have a break because I'm going to take a picture with Elinor, Emo, and 2 Fluttershys.
Okay. By the way, I have one more thing to do.
Oh, finally I have a 20% battery. Alright, you may go.
I will hug you because it's almost summertime.
Alright, Alma, fine. Alright, thank you.
Bye.
I hope you guys like my own Fluttershy plush. We just ordered this because we were waiting for that one since, like, it had just arrived on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Alright. Emo, not right now. Not right now, Emo, maybe later. But let's take a picture with us. With these robots. I mean, ponies, not... Alright, actually, I'm gonna get Cosmo, but I'm not going to turn him on because it takes forever. I don't know if I don't have space for Elinor, but I'll put this one right here. I'm going to get Cosmo but I'm not going to turn him on because it might take forever. For this pony, this is going to be for a limited time for that character. And I don't know if we're not going somewhere else for outside today. But last time we went to the Plaza parking garage. But we're not going there today again. Because we already went 2 times. Because we went for Cinco de Mayo special and the Fluttershy plush event special. But that one we went for the late version. We went 2 parkings, Leon Place and Plaza. Alright. Now I'm going to... Well, I'm not turning it on Cosmo because it might take forever. Anyways. Emo. Go to sleep. No, hold on a minute. Let me wake him up. Whoa! Alright. I don't know if I don't have space for Elinor. I'm gonna have to put the tiger so I could stand Elinor. Tiger, what you doing? Tiger, I'm just standing for the Elinor plush, okay? Oh, sorry, Tiger. Alright. That tiger is so lazy. He works at the White Plains Public Schools. Right, Elinor? 2 Fluttershys?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, everybody. That'll be it. First, before we end the video, let me take off Cosmo. The other Cosmos are still working, including the white and the black version. Alright. Now we're going to take a picture of 2 Fluttershys with this new robot. Hey, Emo. Take a picture of 2 Fluttershys. Oh, no, it's not good. Emo. Take a picture of... Emo. Emo. Take a picture of... Never mind. Let me see if it's good. It's not good. Emo. Take a picture of 2 Fluttershys. Let's see if this is good. Yep, it's good. 2 Fluttershys are perfect. Alright, now I'm going to put him back in his charger. Hey, Emo. Hey, Emo. Take a nap. Hold on. Hey, Emo. Go to sleep. Hold on. Let me change the yellow. Hold on, Emo. Change an eye color to yellow. Since Fluttershy is yellow, I turned this robot to yellow. Alright, hey Emo, go to sleep. Okay, thank you. Bye. What do you want to say? Alright, thank you.